springtime. It is finally here, and I am so excited. I'm just excited to see the trees blooming. Look at that, guys. You know, yeah, we're having trees blooming. White powder you're seeing is actually, forgot the name of it, but it's a powder that controls diseases and kills the pests that probably got left out from last year or the eggs of the pests. So I'm hoping that this is going to help my flowers to actually just grow and have lush green leaves. And yeah, you can see just a little bit of it is just, starting to sprout. Um, Most of the trees, of course, there are no leaves on them yet. Takes a while, but they're not dead. Somewhere in there. And so this is the joy of spring, guys. It is slowly but surely. It is going to be green and lush very soon. Um, I could see on this other tree here. I think flowers do come out of this before the actual leaves. So soon this is going to be blooming. I am here today just trying to clean up a little bit, do some cleaning. I really want to clean my patio because I have been longing to just have coffee in the morning outside, but it is so dirty from all the leaves and debris from winter. So I'm just excited. Like, winter is almost behind us. Here in Colorado, we can still get snow here and there until the month of May, but you know, it's warm enough such that even if it snows, it's going to melt really quick. So I am super just excited to just wake up in the morning and sit outside and have some coffee. So my intention today is to clean up the patio a little bit. I'm not going to wash or power wash it yet. I'm going to wait for the rains to come. So we haven't had any rain yet. But yeah, so welcome to spring. This is the first week of spring. And so I just thought like it would be a nice idea to just show you guys how it is. Because if you remember my garden from last year, my gosh, it was so beautiful, right? So it is like this now, but I know for sure that pretty soon we're going to be having different results. So most of my garden is perennial, so they plants tend to come back by themselves every year. I might have to just do like if I have to budget what I'm going to be buying from the store, it's pretty much gonna be to fill up the containers that I have. But other than that, my garden comes back every year by itself. So yeah, join me in this exciting video. And if you're new to our channel, please consider to subscribe, like our videos. We post every Friday unless when I'm really busy and I don't get to it, but I try as much as possible to post every Friday.
but somehow you
Okay. Wow. People.